Hello guys, this is how to download and install DuckDuckGo on your laptop or PC. So first thing you need to do is just open up your browser. So you could use Safari or Google Chrome, whatever browser you like to use, and just search for DuckDuckGo. And you're just going to find a link, the first link you see that says duckduckgo.com. Just click on that. And then you're going to find two options. You can either just search within the website, like on Google Chrome or Safari or whatever browser you're using, or you could just download the browser. So I'm gonna do that right now, and it downloads right away. Shouldn't take that long. Yep, it's only 95 megabytes, so almost there. Now, once it's done, you can just open it up, and then I'm using Mac. This process could be a bit different if you're using Windows. So you just need to install it basically. And then once it's installed, you can just open it up. Click on open. And here we go. DuckDuckGo is live. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope that video is helpful.